everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the third look in my, pretty sure it's the third look in my modern Disney villain series. This is going to be the Queen of Hearts. I already did Mother Gothel and Cruella de Vil. So yeah, that is number 3. So yeah, if you'd like to see what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, starting off, I am wearing a sweater. It is a little chilly in my bedroom right now. And, I hope I didn't bump into the mic just now, but I do have a leather jacket for the end of the look that I'm going to be throwing on, but I think that would make me too hot. So I'm just using this one right now, and I'll switch it later. So I already did some of my base. I put on my palest foundation that I own. It's the BH Cosmetics, just one second. It's the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation, their naturally flawless liquid foundation in the shade Ivory, which is right here. I put that on, and I put on my palest Maybelline concealer in the shade 5 Ivory as well. And then I just set that with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And then now I think I'm going to be diving right into the look. So yeah. Okay, I am starting off by going into the Pretty Vulgar The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to use this to fill in my brows. I'm going to make sure I fill them in fairly thin because I am basing my look more off of the live-action Alice in Wonderland movie with, oh god, who was in it? Oh, Johnny Depp was in it as the Mad Hatter, and, oh god. I don't know who played Alice. Her name's Mia something. I cannot say that last name for the life of me, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm going to dive right into this. So I'm instantly just washed out against this black backdrop again, but I really want to keep using the black for the series that I'm doing. So yeah, every time I do the series, I'll have this black one up. So please forgive me. I will try shielding some of the glare from my face. But speaking of this, this thing right here, I'm going to go into the ColourPop Blue Moon palette. And I'm going to start off with the shade Moonlight, which is right here. And I'm going to use that to run into the crease of my eye. Actually, I'm not going to run it into the entire crease. I'm just going to run it on the inner and outer thirds. I'm going to just use this dual-ended brush from Profusion. Dip that right in there. Pop it on the inner and outer third. This is going to be a very simple eye look, just to let you know. I am bringing it up fairly high, right up to the brow pretty much. And then I'm also going to run this on the lower lash line. Okay, now that that part is done, I'm going into the shade Starry Eyed, which is right here. And I'm doing the same thing on the inner and outer corner and on the lid. I'm going to try making sure, see, glare. Maybe if I set this right, is that better? I think, hopefully. And you could still see me, yeah? Oh yeah, I'm just using the same brush, by the way. If need be, you could dip back into that first shade and blend out the edges. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to flip over to this side of the brush and run it there. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade Lumi, which is this white shade, but it has like a blue reflect to it. And I'm going to just use my finger and put this in the center of my lids. One as well. I'm also going to pop some of this on the inner corner with my pinky finger. Alright, I'm going to throw on the LA Girl Glide Gel Eyeliner in the shade Aquatic on my waterline real quick. Okay, now for my top waterline, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Black. Not waterline, lash line, sorry. Okay, and then just on my top lashes, I'm going to throw on the Double Decker Lashes mascara from Butter London. And I'm only doing the top because I was really lazy when it came to Cruella and Mother Gothel, because I was going to use false eyelashes with those looks, but I was too lazy to actually do it. But I'm going to do it with this look and probably the next looks in my character series, because I really want to give like my eyes a certain pop and I don't know, be more true to the characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm just putting mascara on my top lashes, and then at the end of the look I'm going to throw on some top and lower lashes, because if you look at reference photos from the live action movie of Alice in Wonderland, she has like almost like mod style lower lashes. So that's kind of what I want to accomplish with the top and lower lashes here. So yeah, just throwing this on real quick. I just bumped myself. Okay, well, now while that little speck dries, I'm going to work on the rest of my face real quick. I'm going to go in with this Profusion 5-color face palette, and I'm just taking the contour shade right here, and I'm going to lightly contour my cheeks, but then also contour my jawline pretty strongly. I'm just using my small contouring brush from Luxie, the, let's see here, 512. I'm also going to very lightly brush some of this on the sides of my nose, underneath my nose, and a little on the bridge of my nose. See if I'm able to scratch this off now. Voila, all gone. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to go into the Jordana blush in the shade Apple Cheeks, which is this color right here. And I am going to go fairly heavy-handed, not exactly on the apples of the cheeks, more so like from like the outer corners of my pupils up. I'm going to use this Royal & Magnical Muda Pro flat top kabuki-like brush. And this is a very intense color, but I do kind of want it intense, so going to stamp it on and then blend it up. Blend it a little down onto the cheek, but like this is where the most of the color I want to be, oh my goodness, localized, and then I could just blend it downward a little, like so. So that most of the color deposits right here. Stinking lighting, I swear to God. Okay, then for highlighter, I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Make a Glow highlighting powder in the shade Winter Falls in LA. This is a kind of white with a blue base as well, kind of like that shimmer on my lid. I'm just going to use my finger because I don't want to go too overboard. I'm just going to tap a little on the highest points of my cheekbones. Don't know if you could see that with the glare. And a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Oops, apparently a lot. Some on the very tip of my nose. And right in between the eyes. And a little itty bit down the bridge. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to go into my Maybelline concealer and put it all over my lips really quick. Just put a little on the back of my hand. Take my concealer brush that I use and just put it all along the edges, more so focused on the edges and then blend inward on my lips. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Mega Gloss lipstick in the shade Stoplight Red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this on the center of my lips. First blend it in, and then I'm going to use my finger to smudge it. I feel like this is looking a lot more pink than I want it to. So what I might do is I might go in to a liquid lipstick. I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Mega Gloss Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Missy and Fierce, which is a nice red shade, and I'm going to pop this on the center here. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay, then on the very center of that, I'm going to go into the LA Colors High Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Dynamite and pop some of this just directly on the center. Okay, now I'm going to go through on top and lower lashes. I'll show them to you once they're on by getting fairly close so you can kind of see what they look like. I do have them from this brand. I think they're called Pa Dolly Love. I don't know exactly how to pronounce like the I don't even know what language this is right here. It's some kind of, I want to say Asian language. I don't know exactly what, it doesn't say anywhere either. So I came into with two boxes, one set of top lashes and one set of lower lashes. So I'm going to just pop on a pair of the top lashes and the lower lashes, and I will be right back, along with my wig and all that. So pardon if my eyes are kind of bloodshot. My eyes keep watering from these lower lashes. So yeah, this is the finished look. I just decided to put on a little black cover thing, sweater, like kind of like a sweater thing. These are what the lashes look like. The top lashes I had no issue with, but it's the bottom lashes that kind of irritate my eyes and make them water a bunch. I don't know why. Oh, my lash is coming up right there. Awesome, huh? But yeah, that is the end of this look. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, or if you want to. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.